Now, in a show of support during the current crisis, a bike shop in York is giving away more than 160 bicycles to NHS workers. The recycle shop in the city centre ships thousands of bikes overseas every year, but now it's launched a campaign to distribute them to those most in need locally. Phil Chapman went along to the workshop.
Another grateful nurse picking up her free bike from the Recycle York team. But it's the workshop staff here who are really showing their gratitude for the brave work being carried out by NHS workers everywhere.
Well, it originally started earlier this year. We set out a goal for the business to give away 200 bikes to the local community for people most in need. We got through 38 bikes to local charities and community projects before obviously we were hit with COVID-19. We had an emergency meeting. Obviously the government deemed us essential, so we thought, what can we do, to keep up the good work on the front lines.
I do actually really need a bike. I walk every day from Fulford to the hospital, so it's just going to help in those shifts where you're really tired and you just need to get from A to B quicker. So that's why I'm down here today.
Well, I normally drive to work, so I can bike to work from now on, so that'll be good. Everybody's working hard, everybody's supporting each other, and, we just have to get on with it.
Some of the team here also have their own personal reasons for helping the NHS.
Back in January I had a sporting injury that left me needing surgery on my eye. So I had 2 operations in the space of 2 months. So it's just nice for us to be in a position where we can give something back to NHS.
My mum, she works as a radiographer up in Newcastle at the RVI. My cousin's a nurse. Bradley's also had a very personal experience with the NHS very, very recently. So we thought it was the least we could do was offer the rest of the bikes that we'd already planned to give away to a good cause. So we're getting an overwhelming response, which is brilliant. We're really proud of our NHS and we're doing whatever we can to keep them all going to work and on the front lines.
Phil Chapman, BBC Look North, York.
Lovely gesture, and nice to have a good news story in the programme as well. Now on to football and